On Monday, federal investigators released thousands of pages concerning the fatal derailment of an Amtrak passenger train last year in Philadelphia, but the main mystery of what caused the crash remains unexplained. The documents, which were posted online by the National Transportation Safety Board, include interviews with the train's engineer, Brandon Bostian, who told investigators that he had no recollection of the moments before the accident. The Amtrak train was headed from Washington, D.C. to New York when it went off the tracks on May 12th along a northbound curve in Philadelphia while traveling at more than twice the 50-mile-per-hour speed limit. 8 people were killed and more than 200 injured in the incident.